children, Shweta here, your maths teacher. Let me continue the chapter 5, Shapes and Design. Open your maths textbook along with pencil. We will do it the textbook exercise. This complete chapter we will do it in textbook only. Let me continue the chapter Shapes and Design in this class. Floor pattern. See, so many patterns you can observe nearby your home, in the school, and in your surrounding, right? See here, like that only. You can see in this picture the pattern. Have you ever seen a floor pattern, floor which has designed? See, in your floor or outside of your floor tiles pattern, so you can observe like this pattern. Do you know how this design are made? See this design, how what shape it made, you can see, observe here. These designs are made by covering the floor completely with small tiles. See, small tiles, they are arranged here. See here, small tiles like this, they are arranged. See, there is no gap only there, so they are arranged. How neatly they are arranged, right? See, with small tiles that fit into each other without any gap, right? For example, look at the same of the tiles and see how it fit. See here, you can see this also. See here, see the shape is like this, they already shown here. See that shape is like this. See here, you can observe the shape is like this. See, and see, if they arrange it like this without gap, so like this it's look like this, right? Tiles pattern you can observe. Not only this design, you can observe nearby in your home what the tiles pattern, how they are made, the tiles. So whether it is a gap is there or not, so that is a pattern. Okay, completely there is no gap, so it will be pattern. They are arranged like patterns. Now look at these tiles with 6 sides. See here, you can observe in this tiles there are 6 sides, right? One, two, three, four, five, six. See, you know that in a figure there are only 3 sides. Means what you call that? That figure you call it as triangle, right? If it is having 4 sides means, so you know that that is a if all 4 sides are equal means it is a square. Only opposite sides are equal means it is rectangle. See this, which a figure which is having 4 sides means the commonly what you call, see, a rectangle, square. So this and all you call it as quadrilateral. And here, see, the figure is having 6 sides here. See, the figure is having 6 sides means this figure you call it as hexagon. This figure you call it as hexagon. See, a figure which is having 3 sides means it is called it as triangle. Which is having 4 sides means commonly you call it as quadrilateral. And which is having 5 sides means you call it as that figure as pentagon. It is having 6 sides, so it is called it as hexagon. A figure which is having 7 sides, so if it is having 7 sides means that figure you call it as heptagon. And it is having 8 sides means octagon. 9 sides means nanogon. Like the 10 sides means decagon. So like that, you can say the shapes by seeing that how many sides are there. So the here 6 sides means it is called it as hexagon. So see how tiles of this shape can cover the floor completely without any gap. So you can observe here. See here the tiles, they are arranged without any gap. There is no gap only here. They are arranged like that. So this is one floor pattern. So here it is called it as hexagon. Hexagon is and see, you can observe it is completely they are arranged. There is no gap in between the tiles, right? So you can observe. Among the following, can you match the tiles which with the design that they will make on the floor. Draw lines to match. See here, so many designs, so many tiles designs they have shown, and see, you have to match this. The middle four tiles they are given, and outside four tiles they are given. You have to arrange these tiles by correct match. See this one, you can see here. See this and this, do it in your textbook only. And see this one and this one, and you can see here. See, you have to arrange correctly. You have to arrange the tiles correctly. See this and this, and you can see here this one and this one. Now this, this. See, this is the correct match. You do it in your textbook only. You can also make your own tiles and use them to make your own tiling pattern. You will find some such a tiles at the end of the book that you can cut out, trace and color. See the end of your textbook, there some tiles are there. So that when you cut it and you can arrange it like a see like this pattern, tiles pattern you can arrange. So if you want to arrange the tiling pattern, tiles pattern means what you have to keep in mind. So if you arrange the tiling pattern means in between there is no gap, like that you have to arrange it. The tiles you can take, you can cut, and you can color the tiles differently, you can arrange it. Complete the following tiling pattern. See, they are given the tiling pattern. So one is colored with red and another one is light pink. So like that you have to draw this and you have to complete this. See, like this you have to draw one. This one you have to color with pink, and this is red, pink, red, like that only. Down also you have to do it. Okay, so like this you draw it and you can color it. Complete this pattern, compare it with the pattern on page 70, which also use 6 sides shape. What is difference between the two? See, you have to complete this pattern. So you have to compare it with the pattern on page number 70. See, what is the page number 70? It is having page number 70. See here, what shape it is? It is hexagon shape. So like this shape only you have to make here. You have to color that shape, which also use 6 side shape. What is the difference between the two? See, what is the difference between the two? See here, 1 2 3 4 5 6. So here also hexagon is there, but see they that shape they are arranged completely the hexagon only, you can see here. So the hexagon shape only they are arranged, but here in the middle you can see, in the middle what they are arranged. See, they are arranged in the middle. So small triangles. See, small triangles, they give gap and some design they made, that's it. So in the middle they arranged small triangles. Okay, so it is also one type of tiling pattern. So like that you have to draw here and you have to color that, same as like this only. Yeah, Kushub and Aris live in Agra. One day they went to see the Taj Mahal. The floor at the pattern shown below. See, I can see two different tiles in this pattern. I think only one type of the tile has been used. See here, the Kushubu is telling. See here, two different tiles are there in this pattern. You can see, observe here some pattern they are given. So in this pattern, she is telling two different patterns are there. But this boy is telling only one tile pattern is there. What do you think? Discuss with your friend. See what you are thinking here, whether it is two different tiles are there or only one tile are there. You discuss and you can tell, but I will tell here only one tiles are there. See, one tiles they are arranged. See, this is one tile, this is one tile. See, like this tile only they arranged differently. See, one is arranged like this, another one is like this. That's it. This is only one tile only. Tiling time. The pattern below are made from these tile. See, uh, in the below pattern they are made up of like this diamond shape tile. In this pattern, three colors have been used to make it look like steps. See, two colors they are used. By using two color, it become a different pattern of blue and yellow flower. See, they are make it as here blue and yellow flower. Here some green, orange and red color they are used. Use different color combination to make your own pattern. See here, you can different color you can take and you can color this. Okay, and this picture you have to send to me. This one you have to do it in your textbook and you have to send to me. Okay, children. I have seen a mithai, sweet of the shape. Have you seen this shape in any other design? On a wall, a dress, on a basket, a mat, etc. See, where you can see this picture, see rangoli pattern in the floor. So you can observe where you can see, you can think. And here one game they are given, treasure hunt. Frankie and Juhi mummy has hidden a surprise gift for both of them. See, Frankie and Juhi mummy has brought a gift, and they made it, they put it hiddenly, they surprised the gift for both of them. But she wants them to find out through a treasure hunt. See, treasure hunt, it is one of the games. See, this is a treasure hunt. So them some gift, the both the mother they brought and they hidden that gift. And see here some directions they are given, but she want they are finding that. She has written some instructions here. Can you help Juhi and Frankie in finding their gift? See here some instructions they are given, so you have to help them, both of them, and you have to they have to reach that hidden gift. So that is only start from the tallest tree. Where is the tallest tree? You have to start from the tallest tree. See, by seeing this picture, which is the tallest tree? See, this is only tallest tree, right? So start here, and next direction they are given, go forward on the pathway. So you have to move forward. From the sixth tile, turn left. See what they are given. You have to start from the big tree, and you have to go for the sixth tile. 1 2 3 4 5 6, and you have to go left. See, you have to go left. Then what direction they are given? After moving a few steps, again you will find a plant on your right hand side. See, after moving that, you find a plant, right? See here sixth tile, after sixth tile you move, there is a plant. So on the right side, right hand of you, then again some directions they are given. So like that, you read the direction and you have to color the dress of the child playing closest to this plant. See, who is closest to your, see that plant closest is, see this girl. So take one color from the color pencil and you color that color, that girl dress. Then um what direction they are given? On the way you will find the corner of the fourth tile is broken. You will like that only, you have to read this instruction and you have to made that what they are given, you have to tick. On the corner you will find the fourth tile is broken. See corner, here after coloring this, on the corner you can see here the fourth tile. See, 1 2 3 4, fourth, 1 2 3 4, fourth tile is broken. Fourth tile is broken. You will find a bat and ball lying on the ground. Don't pick them up, just circle them. And see here, fourth tile is broken and they're saying there is a bat and ball. You have to put a circle. Put a circle. Then move ahead and turn right. You will find a mango tree. A few mangoes can be seen on the tree. Color 11 mangoes on the tree. And so like that only, go ahead. Like that only you have to move forward. Like that only you have to move forward. And there is a mango tree. See, there are so many mangoes are there. Only 11 mangoes you have to color. You have to count that mango, 11 mangoes, and you have to color that 11 mangoes. And then also draw some grass near the mango tree and start moving again on the path. Then near the mango tree you have to draw some grass here. Take a green color pencil and draw a grass. Then again you have to move forward. So when you go straight, you will find a house. Behind that house there is a bag. Open it and you will find something sweet in it. Can you tell what their mother has kept in a bag? Now, so like that only you have to move. 11 mangoes you have to collect and you have to go forward, go ahead. Then there is a home. Home here some bag you can find. Inside that bag some sweets are there. So, can you tell what their mother has kept in that bag? So, some sweets are there. So, sweets that their mothers kept in that bag. That is the game. You can play that. What I have told. So, that thing only you have to do it. Okay, do it. This is take it as activity and do it. Do it, and this activity you have to do it. Take a pic and send it to me. Do it in your textbook and send it to me. Thank you, children.